Used to this.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. When you want your hood to stay in one place so you can yank your engine out, do a redneck. It will work every time. Okay, back to the engine.
That's low load. Alrighty, everybody. Forget what day this is. This is Wednesday. We started this project last Saturday, so I didn't do too much yesterday, just some little knickknacks, getting some stuff cleaned off, little parts here and there. So we're real close. I'm going to get some of the mounts here off of the motor itself. Just a couple notes here. There is this wiring harness down here at the bottom, right down there, right there. That's held on. There's a little clip that goes on one side, a plastic clip, and then on the driver's side is a 10mm that keeps that attached. So definitely want to get that off. You want to make sure those two grounds are off back here. There's one 13mm on the top, and then there's a 15mm on the back of the motor that are grounds. So we got our valley cover off, and we got our lift plate on. As you can see here, wasn't having any issues with the AC system at the moment, so kind of wanted to not open the system. We're going to give this a try and see how easily it comes out. So I've got that ratchet strapped really professional here. We'll see if we have to move that. It may give us some issues getting the motor out once we go to lift it. So I got that side lowered. Gonna get ready to lower this other side, but I want to make sure I've got my mounts basically loose. I'll probably leave like one bolt here in the front and then try to get everything in the rear done before we yank it out. So that is our update. I guess I can just go ahead and put this on. Kind of a big thing here, so we'll go ahead and put this on the tripod so we can record it. Alright, so once we get it on the ground, then I'll go in and get the two bolts for the motor mounts from the front, because they're pretty easy to get to, and we can steady the keep the motor level so it won't just drop as soon as we remove those bolts. I hope. Alright folks, so now is the fun part. I think you'll be safe here, so move. And you all be quiet too, no talking. Yeah, pretend golf.
Yeah. Right. That's expendable.
Right. Yeah, I think we're going to be able to clear it. We'll back it up.
Yeah.
Worst comes to worst.
Might have to do some chain.
Let's see, we can lower the air pressure on the tires. Let's do that. We can lower the front. There you go. Just pull the cap off and bleed it out.
This one was already going low anyways.
Well, that'll lower it about 2 inches and give us a natural clear. Smells funny.
There's a stale air.
Yeah. Don't breathe too much. It's probably got some of that fix-a-flat junk in there. Give you cancer.
Who said it? California?
The can.
What?
The can.
Oh, okay.
With the California designation.
Awesome.
This could cause you to die.
And every thing could, so who cares?
Yeah, it's naturally going to perk up as well because we've already got the trans out.
Yeah.
So that's less weight.
Yep. Alrighty guys, to recap, we got the engine up this far and stuff. We also got the hood.
Lay it right down. It'll be fine.
There it is. So we hit the hood with our...
It's got plenty of scratches. It doesn't
Yeah.
have to put more.
Yeah, we don't need that much. There we go. I think that's gonna work.
Ratchet strap.
Yo.
Grab me ratchet strap. They're right over there. What I'm gonna do, we got our notches there. All we need to do is stay.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna run this. See?
Mm-hmm. I just need to read that shot.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh,
Who did that?
yeah, I know. Somebody.
Oh no, that was Eddie.
Oh yeah.
Two of us. Ha ha ha. Good solid plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best part. It's on camera. Right?
Oh.
Now I gotta get off of here. I'm getting pretty used to this.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. When you want your hood to stay in one place so you can yank your engine out, do a redneck. It will work every time. Okay, back to the engine.
That's low load. We'll see how far it goes. I think we'll have to let it back down and readjust.
Yeah.
What we might be able to do is just kind of, if we can lay it down flat,
Exactly.
without banging anything,
That'd be
or
good.
come in with the hoisted angle.
Yep.
But we'll just see how high it goes. Definitely help with the hood though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, you see that live, folks. So.
What we might do we might be able to rest it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Maybe. And play with it from there. We'll see.
I'd go till it quits.
Yeah. So as you
Because
see,
it's going to be
close.
a pain to try to get it back in there.
Yep.
Exactly. Well, I was thinking if we had to, we might be able to rest the bottom end right here,
Mm-hmm.
then anchor it to this with a strap to the front
Yeah.
while we readjust if we have to. So let's see. Okay. Make it close enough. And if it does stop, it's just going to be just so much.
Mm-hmm.
If it's that close, we're just going to drag it out. You're welcome.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we're at an inch right now. Inch and a half. Okay, I think we're good. Sweet. Woo! Alright. Yeah. Let's not try to stretch it anymore. Okay, I'm gonna read your hands over here.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at that. That's not
Half
bad
an
at
inch
all.
more.
Not bad at all. I really didn't think it'd go. Now, if it's a truck,
The truck
There you
is
go.
we're gonna do something different for the truck, which will be an issue someday.
Careful. Yeah. A little more.
Sweet! Yeah!
You got it.
I didn't realize how big the motor mounts were. Alright. Sweet. Put it out there. Wow.
Yeah, it's well, that's the thing with bigger stuff. All right, now it's going to come down pretty quick, so.
Thankfully that, I just want to get it midway.
There you go. Good speed. Yeah.
This is where it's a little more movable. But look at it was really look at from the front. Whoa, you don't want to do that either. You know why?
No.
It'll off the balance.
Yeah.
You probably need to have them extended a smidge.
Right.
And they're making some progress.
Yeah.
Oh, now the fun part.
Yeah, cleaning.
This is tomorrow. Cleaning all right. Gotta move your feet. Move your foot. Move it. I guess we need another piece of TV for a little bit. And you notice we didn't take off the manifolds. And people, why did we not take off those manifolds?
Why?
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 Tell me why. Tell me why.
Because we're putting on new manifolds.
Because that's one thing. But also that they're so easy to break off bolts in there. So we can take our time, do some tricks, do some icing to get them out correctly. Hopefully, instead of fighting with them inside the car. So that'll be one easier thing too. Yeah. So yeah. So that's a big step ahead. Tomorrow, well, I'm probably starting some little clean stuff. I'll save that for tomorrow. I need to clean like the starter. I need to have that prepped. I need to clean off the coils, AC bracket, AC. Just clean all of the oil and grime off, and get that figured out. So, all right, we'll take a pause there.
Yeah.
But the big, the big first step.
Yep. The
Well,
engine
this
is
the
out.
second big step.
Yeah.
First big step was transmission. This is the second big step.
Yeah.
Third big step will be hopefully Saturday putting the motor back in. And then third big step we'll be putting the transmission in. And step 5 will be correcting, putting all the wires back in. So yeah, more fun to come. But we're started Saturday afternoon. We're Wednesday evening, so I don't think we can.
And that's where we're at. The engine's out.
Progress. I don't.
That is some pretty good progress, huh? That's pretty good.
Well, just working, around work. So I'm happy with that.
Cool.
With them hours.
Yep. Very nice. So, engine's
All right.
out. Keep you updated.
Yep.